Wake up in the bathroom and go to work and stare at it and text you she'll be back soon. And the boss runs his fingers round her pretty blonde platinum dude. I'll bet you never thought about that, did you? And it's none of my business, and I don't wanna get involved. Maybe thinking that she's cool. I think you should be told she got you in like a little boy. Everybody says that you're just a little toy. She's got a box full and an naughty box. She has to feel and you wanna say, yeah. She wears short skirts so you don't ask her if you can check her phone. Talk about the guys at work so you feel egocentric.